ये क्वेश्चन 10th क्लास के सेकंड चैप्टर से रिलेटेड है. The question is alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial. Then we have to find alpha cube plus beta cube. Without finding alpha और beta, यहाँ पे alpha और beta नहीं दिए गई हैं. So सबसे पहले हम coefficients लेंगे. A is coefficient of x square which is 1 and B is coefficient of x which is minus 1 and C is constant term which is plus 1. Now alpha plus beta, we know that formula of alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Minus is formula in formula and value of b is minus 1. Value of a is 1. Minus into minus is plus 1. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Value of c is 1 and value of a is again 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Now we apply the formula of alpha plus beta cube. Alpha plus beta whole cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Now we put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1 and alpha into beta is 1. Put values of alpha plus beta which is 1. 1 cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3. Alpha into beta is 1 into alpha plus beta is again 1. 1 alpha cube plus beta cube. 3 1 ja 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 on the other side is minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Alpha cube plus beta cube. इस तरह से हम alpha और beta को find किए बिना we can find alpha cube plus beta cube just by using the formula and putting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So here again a x square coefficient. A is coefficient of x square which is 2 and B is coefficient of x which is minus 1 and C is constant term which is 1. Now alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b is minus 1, a is 2. Minus into minus is plus, so 1 by 2. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. 1 by 2. Now alpha plus beta cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Put values of alpha plus beta is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3. Alpha into beta is 1 by 2 and alpha plus beta is again 1 by 2 and this 3. Now it becomes 1 by 8 equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 by 4, which is on the other side becomes with minus sign. Now by taking LCM 8, 1 minus 4 2s are 8, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 is 6. Alpha cube plus beta cube is minus 5 by 8. So by using formula alpha plus beta whole cube and putting values alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, we can find alpha cube plus beta cube in the same way. हम देखेंगे कि रूट वाले क्वेश्चंस को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. तो here a is coefficient of x square which is equal to 2. B is coefficient of x is equal to 2 root 3 and C is constant term is equal to minus 4. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a by formula. Minus b is 2 root 3 by 2. 2 से 2 cancel is equal to minus root 3 alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C is minus 4. A is 2. This is equal to minus 2. Now alpha plus beta cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Put values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus root 3 cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3. Alpha beta is value is minus 2. Alpha plus beta is minus root 3. Cube means minus root 3 into minus root 3 into minus root 3. Minus into minus plus into minus is minus. Root 3 is 3 मल्टीप्लाई रूट 3. तो 3 1 जा, यहाँ पे 1 होगा, बाहर कुछ नहीं होता तो 1 है. 3 1 जा 3 प्लस इंटू माइनस इज माइनस 3 रूट 3. सो माइनस रूट का क्यूब इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3 रूट 3 इज इक्वल टू अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब. माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस. 3 टू जा 6 root 3 minus into minus plus, so here is plus minus 3 root 3 plus on the other side minus is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Now 3 and 6 is 9, दोनों माइनस के हैं तो ऐड हो जाएंगे. साइन इज सेम, रूट 3 के रूट 3 रहेगा. सो अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब. बिकॉज दोनों साइन माइनस के हैं तो दोनों साइन क्या हो जाएंगे, ऐड हो जाएंगे. सेम साइन होने की वजह से क्या हो जाएंगे, ऐड हो जाएंगे. सो इस क्वेश्चन में देखेंगे कि हम क्वेश्चन को कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं अगर कोफिशिएंट्स क्या हो, फ्रैक्शन में हो. नाउ पोलिनोमियल इज इन वाई, वो मिसिंग टर्म इज वाई, सो पोलिनोमियल इज इन वाई. हियर ए इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ हाईएस्ट टर्म y square, so a is equal to 3 and b is coefficient of y, this is minus 1 by 2 and c is constant term, this is 5 by 2. Now alpha plus beta, this is equal to minus b by a, minus in formula minus value of b is minus 1 by 2 and a is 3. Minus into minus is plus by 3. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. Now by taking reciprocal, 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 3, it becomes 1 by 6. Similarly, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C is 5 by 2 and a is 3. 3 can be written as 5 by 2 by 3 by 1. Now by taking reciprocal, 5 by 2 multiply 1 by 3, this is equal to 5 by 6. Now by formula, alpha plus beta cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Now we put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, but जो हमने already क्या किया, solve. So by putting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, alpha plus beta is 1 by 6 cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3. Alpha into beta is 5 by 6 into alpha plus beta is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6, this is equal to 1 by 36. 6 are 216. 2 इज इक्वल टू अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब प्लस 15/36 1/216 minus 15/36 on the other side with minus sign is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Now by taking LCM 216 से 216 को डिवाइड किया 1 मल्टीप्लाई विद न्यूमिनेटर, 36 से 216 को डिवाइड किया 6 मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय न्यूमिनेटर, एलसीएम को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड एंड न्यूमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई, 216 को 216 से डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमिनेटर, 1 माइनस 90/216 इज इक्वल टू अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब। 90 में से 1 का ऑपोजिट साइन तो सब्ट्रैक्ट होएंगे, ग्रेटर का साइन, तो 90 के साथ माइनस है तो 89 के साथ भी क्या आएगा माइनस।